Hey, Geometry Geniuses, this is Mrs. Long, and here we have a problem that deals with triangle proportionality. Now, in a lot of these, we were able just to see, oh, 26 is half of something, blah, blah, blah. In this one, we can't do that, so we're actually going to have to set up the proportion. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the smaller triangle to the larger triangle. So I'm going to do small over large, small over large, and I'm going to do the segment on the top and then the segment on the bottom. Now remember, I just label these so I don't get anything mixed up. The small part of this guy is 39. The large triangle part is 26. I'm going to set that equal to a proportion for the other side, for the one that's on the bottom here. X is over here, the smaller part, and then 18 is the longer part. So now, who remembers what to do next? Yeah, and hopefully you've already done this problem on your own, but we are going to cross multiply. You're exactly right. So I'm going to say 26 times x equals 39 times 18. Now I have to admit that I cannot do that in my head. I probably could, but you wouldn't want to sit here that long. So I'm going to use a tool that I have available to me, my calculator. And so I'm going to say 39 times 18, and I get 702. Now, to get x by himself, I'm going to divide both sides by 26. So I get x equals 702 divided by 26. And the answer is 27. So the length of this part right here is 27. Cool, huh? All right, hope that helps.